Hey Transformers, today is the last day of the 7-day Eliminate Stress Challenge. So, day 7. My tip for today is, aside from what I mentioned in day 1, which is expressing gratitude, my tip for today is the other most important tip that I'm going to give you to help you eliminate stress, to help you be in a better mindset, to get you more positive. And this is to spend time with your loved ones. Because when you spend time with your loved ones, love is the most powerful force in the world. And it's always positive. When you spend time with your loved ones, do you notice that do you notice how you feel afterwards? Do you notice that you feel good afterwards? Do you feel that you're happy? You feel, you're smiling. You feel lighter. I want you to start observing that, how you feel after you spend time with your loved ones, because it's always positive. And this is something that I want you to do. I want you to make a routine of doing this. I want you to do this regularly, because, like, for me, I can have the worst day, at work, or I can have the shittiest day, but when I get home and I see my son greet me with that smile, it just feels like as if, nothing bad happened. You just erase all those memories. It just replaces it with that very happy thought, and it feels like, nothing bad can happen. That's how I feel when I see my son, when I'm with my son, when I play with him. I can have all these stress. I'm thinking of so many things, for work or outside, but when we hang out, we play, gets me relaxed, get me focused on him. I just feel happier. Right? So love can overcome all these other emotions, all these other negative emotions and thoughts. So I want you to start doing that on a regular basis. You can have days that you really are feeling bad, but then once you have times and days that you feel great like this, at least that's gonna break that slump. All right? So if there is something that I really want you to do, this is, I sincerely would want you to start doing this. I sincerely would want you to start practicing this, because this will change the way you think. This will change the way you feel. If you're in a negative zone all the time, this will change your life. So I really want you to do this. All right? And with that being said, I want to thank everyone for watching us, over the last 7 days. I hope you learned, something over the past 7 days with the tips and tools that we shared on how you can have a better mindset, how you can be more positive, how you can be less stressed, how you can be happier. All right? So I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this, because for me, sharing these with everyone kind of brought back some of these things that I may have not been doing more of, and it actually helped me be in a better frame of mind also. All right, so until next time, everyone, stay safe and stay pain free. Bye.